This guy just went from broke to making $300 a day so quickly that he was able to travel the world, buy his family and friends everything they wanted. If you want to know the secrets on how he was able to obtain this amount of success, there's a page that's actually showing other people like you how they can get the exact same thing for themselves by simply following the same formula that this guy did. Just click on the Learn More button either at the top right of this screen or at the lower left to go over to the website and see for yourself. And yes, he used to work a regular job, which he's quit right now. And the best part of this whole thing is that this formula is not some complicated thing that will take a lot of brain work. It just works straight up for people who haven't even heard of it before. It works for all countries, especially for people in countries like the USA, Canada, Nigeria, Australia, Pakistan, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, to name a few. It works for all devices, and this includes iPhones, Android devices, desktop devices, and in fact, any device that has access to the internet. It can be done by people of all genders, including males and females. It works for people of all ages. Yes, I meant all ages. Just click on the Learn More button, like I said, and go see for yourself. What are you waiting for? Just hit that Learn More button right now and join up to start making money now, right after today. I don't know why you're still here. Just click it. Click it. I'm out. See you inside.